I'm Steve. I'm a youth pastor at a church, and I would give numbers a 4 out of 5. As a youth pastor, I have a lot of responsibilities to care for high school students and junior high students, keep track of them and see how they're doing, connect with them with their contact information. And every year I use numbers to create a new spreadsheet with all the contact info for all of our students. In addition to that, we also have events that we do, including a major youth conference. In which we use numbers to help record registrations and keep track of all of our guests who are visiting with us for our conference. And numbers is a helpful tool for all of that. What I appreciate about numbers is the ease of use with which I can record data and information. It can help me with simple functions like addition and figuring out who has contributed to what funds or scholarships for retreats, financial assistance for youth retreats, or when we're raising money for a missions trip. It helps keep track of all that data and information as well. It's nice and clean, a lot of options for formatting a spreadsheet that are appealing visually, that I can color code situations or individuals depending on who's in which category. So it's just helpful for me to think through problems and events logically. Numbers is helpful for that. There's not much I dislike about numbers. However, the one thing I would say when I compare it to Microsoft Excel, which is what I'm more familiar with, Numbers seems to have a few less features and was just slightly less intuitive than Microsoft Excel was. But when I compare the two, while Numbers is a little less intuitive than Excel was, the difference is negligible. Numbers is almost as good as Excel.